Day 3 of picking up cars, or yeah, day 3. Back at what is it, Silver Lake, where we got the Alfa Romeo and the Punto. We're here to pick up the Seat Alta or something like that. It's a 1.9 diesel. So stay tuned, guys. Let me just go and check inside, and then we can get the car delivered to the front, and then we'll do a little walk around. Let's get into the bad boy. Right guys, I'm just here waiting for the car to turn up. Just a little bit of advice. This car doesn't come with any logbooks or any documents, so make sure that if you're buying one of these cars without any V5s, you call the DVLA and check if the vehicle is under trade. If it is under trade or private owned, you won't be able to tax the vehicle at the post office. Under trade, you can actually go to the post office because it's not privately owned, and you can actually tax the vehicle at the post office. So that's just a little bit of a heads up for you guys that are buying vehicles from auction with no logbooks. Car's going to be coming out any minute, so when it does, I will flip the camera around and we can do a little walk around, show you what we got. Oh, look at that wing. We're going to actually go check inside if they've got a wing. That is the only damage on this. I'm actually going to go inside now and see if they've got a headlight and a wing for this. Bumper looks okay. Looks alright. Let's see if she starts up. So you got a bit of cross there, so yeah, it looks like a nice kind of clean inside here. Smells good as well. This is quite specced out. You got seats for the kids. You can see all this dirt in the back, guys. Have a look at this. So this is my little tips. Look at that. You can see sand. You can see girls' hair. And you can see all that muck that's on the back of the seat. This means that this was a family-owned vehicle. You can see the interior of this car is absolutely immaculate. Absolutely immaculate, guys. I won this car for £1,200 including fees. Absolute bargain. The mileage on this is, I think, 69,000. And look how immaculate these seats are, guys. Let's get the bonnet open and see if we can get started. Right guys, it's a 1.9 diesel. Looks like everything's legit. I'm not even going to bother touching that. The oil looks really good. I think we're quite good. Let's see, get this battery connected and see if she fires up. Right guys, we've got the battery connected. Turn that key on. Steering there. Let's drop the steering because it's a bit high. Done. Got the lights on. Make sure it's in neutral. It is. Started first time, guys. Absolutely first time. And that sounds amazing. Look at the mileage. 67,000, guys. First time start. 67 on the clock. Right guys, I've got a really good feeling about this one. 67,000 on the clock. We just need a wing. I'm actually going to walk inside now, check if they got a wing. Car started our first time. We do have some lights on the dash. We do have some lights on the dash, but we got our car leak here. I've got my little brother with me today. His boy's car leak here, and we're going to diagnose the car. So as soon as I go check if they got a wing and a headlight. Right, so as soon as I go check if we got a wing and a headlight, I'm going to come back out. We're going to stick the car leak in it and see what the fault codes are on it and erase anything that needs erasing. We've got a 2-hour drive back. Let's just feel the clutch. Starting clutch really low. I mean, you don't expect to change your clutch at 67,000. Steering wheel feels like it's never been used. Let's go check what parts we got. Right guys, just walking to the place. They did say that they got 2 vehicles matching what we need, and for a wing is 20 something pound, and for a headlight, so we're probably going to be in about 50 quid for a headlight and a wing for that car. So we might get a cheap fix and see how it goes, man. Let's get to the car, see if we got what we need, matching color. Right guys, that's the bumper that we got here. So we got the headlight here and we got a wing. It's not, doesn't look like it's a matching color, so however we're going to need to paint it. Those are quite deep scuffs anyway, so that doesn't matter. With the headlight and the wing, we are in it, just say 50 quid probably with VAT. I'm not sure if it included VAT, but it's all right, man. So now we just need to take this part of ourselves, self-service. 50 quid and we got our car. Right guys, as you can see, the wing's looking right. 50 quid I reckon including VAT, and we got ourselves a wing. and a headlight, and we've not even left the property yet. So we'll be off to a good start, guys. So stay tuned, man. They've got a tow bar. I don't know if maybe trying to get that tow bar might increase the value of the vehicle. Someone might want that. I'm not sure, but stay tuned. I'll see how much that tow bar is. If I can get it off, I'll probably nab that and sell it with the vehicle separately. I won't put it onto the vehicle, but I'll sell it with the vehicle. That might increase some buyers' appetite. We never know. Let's see how it goes. Right, guys, there's self-service over here. Pop that off. Maybe you want to turn the speed down, just so you don't round the bolts off. Could do with the extra bolts. That one, yeah, why not? And yeah, just need to get in there. I mean, it's nice parts. Yeah, I think we can just take this off, and there's not much to think. What else? We need to get that one off, that one there off. So we got that there, and what other? I think maybe one underneath behind the bumper. And we got a wing and a headlight. 50 quid. Come on, mate. Alright, guys, we got this. Just you gotta pop it, push it straight down. Got it there. And we'll use the drill for that bit. And then there, pop that down. There we go. Nice. She's out. Fingers crossed. Right, guys, it's been a nightmare. I mean, because obviously I haven't taken one of these bumpers off. Just so I remember as well. There's one bolt there. There's another one there. And then there's a few at the bottom. I mean, this rubber had to be cut so we can get to these bolts. So I don't know how I'm going to get mine off. I need to figure that out. Other than that, we got that. There's a wing. She's off nicely. Really good wing, actually. A few little bits, but it's going to need painting anyway, so we'll get that painted. And the headlight looks really good. So look forward to getting that off and just getting the head out of here. We managed to get this bloody headlight off. Absolutely nightmare. Bolt was rounded off, but it's off now. Let's get that back on there. Just leave it. Right, guys, we just heading to the post office. Car's parked up there. I'm just going post office, and I'm going to tax the car. Once I get the vehicle taxed, I will be heading to the motorway. So let's hope I can tax this car over the counter. It says it's under trade. Sometimes, if it's not, you won't be able to tax it. But yeah, it says under trade. Hopefully they do tax in vehicles here. Sometimes they don't. Right, guys, she's all taxed up. Time to hit the road. And yeah. Right, guys, it's getting a bit dark now. I've just topped up 25 quid. We got 135 miles in the tank now. We did have 30 miles already in the tank. So we've got about 90 miles, over 100 miles to get back home. Just add that to the total of what we paid for the car, the headlights, the wing, the £30 late charge, and taxing the vehicle in total with a £25 fee was £118. I will run all the numbers through. Once we get the car painted and all the work done on the car, I will total up everything, and then at least we know what we're in it, and then we'll put the car for sale and we see what we get. So stay tuned. We got 4 other cars to pick up as well. So yeah, long week ahead. Stay tuned. I'm driving home now. Peace. Guys, just a little heads up. Car drives absolutely amazing. Mileage has actually gone up. So from 135, we're actually now on 155. It was on 165. It's actually gone down now, but we are in the mileage. I've probably got about 40 minutes left to get home. Car drives amazing. Drives in a straight line. Absolutely stunning car this is. I'm absolutely so happy I've got this, you know, because to be honest with you, I was actually debating on leaving and just paying the late fee, but we're in it now. I've done a little bit of calculations. I think it's about £1,400 with all the fees and the petrol, the taxi and all that kind of good stuff. But once I sell this car, I will do cancel the tax, and I'll get a little bit of money back for that as well. So we got all the parts for the car, headlight and wing and stuff like that. So I don't think we're going to be paying anything else, any more charges for this vehicle apart from the paint for the car. But yeah, just a little heads up, guys, we've got 40 minutes to get back home, and car drives amazing. So stay tuned. I'll do a walk around when I get back. Yeah, I'm loving it. Right, guys, I have made it back, and it's about 5:30, probably around going for 6 o'clock. We've got about 100 miles left in the tank, which is really good. So remember, we had 135 up to topping up. We've got about 100 miles left in it. I think we're in it just over £1,400 all in, including the fees, taxing the car and everything. But the car drives really well. I thought it'd be rude not to make this video and complete the video for you guys. So I decided to pull over here and do a little walk around so you guys can actually see what the car looks like. So let's have a look together. that is what it's looking like. And if you know, if I don't say so myself, it looks really, really well. That door looks a little bit darker, but to be honest with you, it does look a little bit darker. There could have been some scratches on it. However, I will sort that out. That side actually looks a lot darker than that side, if you can see that. But in the light, it looks okay. Do a little walk around. Nice little number plate, little crack in it, bit of a polish. This is a stunning car, to be honest with you. It really is in good condition. £1,400 for this car. Yes, it's a bit on the high side. I will get some money back when I tax the car. No, when I get my tax back, shall I say. I did tape it up, obviously, so there's no sharp corners, and it looks a little bit representable and reasonable. If you look at these tires, guys, they're literally brand spanking new tires. They've still got the little knobbly bits on them. You can see that. Literally brand new tires. Let's check the rears out. The rears as well, brand new. This side here and that, brand spanking new. You can see that. And the front, again, knobbly bits are still on there. That's a brand new tire as well. So yeah, guys, we are literally in it to win it with this car here. Mileage has gone up just a little bit, so that's the actually we got 125 miles left after we had thing. The mileage did go up, so it's really good, man. Interior, guys, I'll do a proper walk around video, but for now, just finished this video, and because I value your guys' time and appreciate you people watching, don't forget to give us a sub, don't forget to like, follow the journey on this bad boy and see how much we're going to make from it. We've got the wing already in the boot, and we've got the light in the front seat. We just need to get it painted, and yeah, see how much we get for it when we list it. So stay tuned, guys. See you people in the next one. Obviously the next video on this will be, or maybe the next video we'll be picking up another car. We've got 5 more cars to get, so stay tuned, guys, and see you people in the next one. Bye bye.